If you are raising day-old chicks, the first 7 days are the most important days of their entire life. What you do or fail to do during this first week will determine whether your chicks will grow strong and healthy or end up weak, sick, and dying later. Many poultry farmers lose birds not because poultry farming is hard, but because they make mistakes during the first 7 days. In this video, I will explain day-old chick management in a very simple way, so even if this is your first time, you will understand exactly what to do. Before we go further, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple poultry guides and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any important lessons. The first thing to understand is that day-old chicks are very weak. They cannot control their body temperature, they get stressed easily, and small mistakes can kill them quickly. That is why preparation before their arrival is very important. Before your chicks arrive, your brooding area must already be ready. The house should be clean, dry, and well disinfected. Do not wait until chicks arrive before fixing things. A prepared house reduces stress and disease from the first day. One very important thing many beginners ignore is ventilation and air quality. Good air does not mean cold air, it means fresh air without strong wind. Poor ventilation causes heat buildup, bad smell, ammonia gas, and breathing problems, which can kill chicks silently. Your brooding house must allow fresh air to enter and bad air to leave. If you enter the house and your eyes are burning or the smell is too strong, then the air is not good for chicks. Good ventilation keeps chicks active, eating well, and growing properly. Now let's talk about heat and temperature, because heat is life for day-old chicks. When chicks arrive, they need warmth immediately. Their brooder temperature should be around 32 to 34 degrees Celsius in the first few days. If chicks are cold, they will crowd together and suffocate themselves. If they are too hot, they will spread far away from the heat source and become weak. You can easily know if the temperature is correct by observing the chicks. If they are evenly spread, active, and chirping softly, the temperature is good. Always observe your chicks because chicks will tell you if something is wrong. Another very important thing in the first 7 days is spacing. Overcrowding is one of the biggest killers of day-old chicks. When chicks are too many in a small space, heat increases, air becomes bad, stress increases, and diseases spread faster. Chicks need enough space to move, eat, drink, and breathe properly. Plan 7 to 10 chicks per square foot. Good spacing allows fresh air to circulate and reduces heat stress. When chicks are crowded, even good feed and medicine will not save them. As the days go by, gradually increase their space. Never keep chicks tight because you want to manage them easily. Good spacing saves lives and improves growth. Let's talk about water, because water is the first thing chicks need. As soon as chicks arrive, they should be given clean, cool water. Many farmers add glucose or sugar on the first day to reduce stress and give them energy. This is good for the first few hours. Make sure drinkers are not too deep so chicks do not drown. Also, make sure water is always available. No water for even a short time can weaken chicks quickly. Always keep drinkers clean and place them where chicks can easily reach them without getting wet. Wet chicks can die from cold, especially in the first few days. Now let's talk about feeding, because feeding starts immediately after watering. Chicks should be fed good quality chick starter feed. Do not give them grower or finisher feed. Starter feed contains the right nutrients for early growth and strong immunity. Spread feed on clean paper or trays during the first few days so chicks can find it easily. As they grow, you can move feed into feeders. Never starve chicks in the first 7 days. The first week determines how well they will convert feed later in life. If this is helping you so far, please tap the like button and share this video with someone raising chicks. Let's talk about lighting, which many people ignore. Chicks need light to eat and drink. In the first few days, provide enough light so they can move around freely. Darkness can reduce feed intake and slow growth. Light also helps you observe chicks and notice problems early. Now let's talk about health and hygiene. The brooding area must be kept clean and dry. Wet litter produces bad smell and harmful gas, which affects breathing. Remember, bad air is a silent killer. Vaccination should also start early according to schedule. Do not skip vaccines because you want to save money. Skipping vaccines often leads to bigger losses later. Observe your chicks every day. Healthy chicks are active, eating, drinking, and making soft sounds. If you notice weak or sleepy chicks, act immediately. One common mistake new poultry farmers make is thinking poultry farming is just about feeding birds and waiting for them to grow so they can sell. They don't know that poultry farming is more than that. There are management practices you must put in place, especially in the first 7 days. Temperature control, ventilation, spacing, clean water, good feed, hygiene, and daily observation all work together. If one is missing, problems will start. Let's talk briefly about ventilation again because it is very important. Good ventilation supplies oxygen and removes heat, moisture, and harmful gases. Without good air, chicks struggle even if everything else is correct. Never close up your brooding house completely because you are afraid of cold. Instead, balance heat and fresh air. Warm air with fresh oxygen is what chicks need. The truth is this: if you manage the first 7 days correctly, you have already done more than half of the work. Strong chicks in the first week grow faster, resist disease better, and give you better profit later. But if you make mistakes in the first 7 days, no amount of feed or medicine later can fully correct it. As we wrap up, remember this: day-old chick management is not complicated, but it requires attention. Observe your chicks, give them space, fresh air, warmth, clean water, good feed, and proper care. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel for more practical poultry farming lessons, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below and tell me, are you raising chicks right now or planning to start soon? Thank you for watching, and I wish you great success in your poultry farming journey.